How's it going, everyone? So there's been some confusion over how to submit assignments to the discussion board. So we're going to briefly take a look at how to do that. So as you can see, this is my Canvas homepage for Mount San Antonio College. If you're one of my Cypress students, it's going to look relatively the same. So you're going to want to click on the class that you're enrolled in. Um, we're going to take a look at this English 1A class. Um, so to access the discussion board, you can either click discussions or go through modules. Um, so we're going to take a look at the three things that represent me discussion board thread. So I'll click on that. Obviously here you have the prompt that you're responding to, and then you have the reply section here. So you're going to want to click on that. This brings up a whole bunch of options that you can use. Mostly we're just going to be using this as a text entry. So you can just write here, and it just functions like a normal word processing program. The other thing you can do is if you want, I give you the option in most discussion boards to reply with a video. If you want to do that, you can. There's a couple options. You can either record it, upload it to YouTube, and then link it here. If you want to just get around the middleman and do it directly, you can click here. So as you can see, this brings up the webcam, and then you can just record media by doing that. When you're finished, you want to click finish. It'll give you the option to watch what you just recorded. By doing that when you're finished. Okay. So you want to make sure you click save when you're done. So when you go ahead and post your reply to this thread, it'll show up kind of like this YouTube link here does. So the other thing that we're going to be doing throughout the semester is replying to your classmates' responses. So that's easy. All you do is you hit reply, gives you the same kind of options as the initial reply does. Okay, well, hopefully that cleared up some stuff. We'll get used to Canvas as we go. There's a little bit of a learning curve, but I think it's overall pretty intuitive. There's a lot of good features on here. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.